Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating error code H2 on your Dyson fan in 2025, you're in the right place. This error often pops up due to issues like overheating, blockages, or sensor problems, but don't worry. Most of the time, it's an easy fix that you can handle at home. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to get your fan up and running again quickly. Let's dive in. First things first, safety is key. Start by unplugging your Dyson fan from the power source. This gives it a chance to cool down and resets any temporary glitches. Leave it unplugged for at least 5 to 10 minutes to ensure it's fully powered off. Next, check for any obstructions. Dust, pet hair, or debris can block the airflow, triggering the H2 error. Gently inspect the air intake and outlet vents. Use a soft brush or a vacuum with a brush attachment to remove any buildup. Make sure nothing is stuck inside. It's amazing how a little dirt can cause big problems. Now, let's talk about cleaning. Dyson fans have filters that need regular maintenance. If your model has a removable filter, take it out and wash it under lukewarm water. Let it dry completely before putting it back. This step is crucial because a dirty filter can restrict airflow and lead to errors like H2. Once everything is clean and clear, plug the fan back in and try turning it on. If the error persists, you might need to perform a full reset. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds while it's plugged in. This can clear any software glitches. If you've followed these steps and the error code H2 still appears, it could be a more serious issue, like a faulty sensor. In that case, contact Dyson customer support or take it to an authorized service center. Remember, attempting repairs yourself on internal components could void your warranty. There you have it. A straightforward guide to fixing your Dyson fan's error code H2. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.